Hubbers. Today we'll talk about the best way to repair your credit. I'll start off by saying there's no quick fix for credit problems. In fact, there's very little you can pay a so-called credit repair company to do that, and you can easily do it for yourself for free. That's why most of those companies are not to be trusted. They're either shady through and through, promising things that they can't legally do, or they're simply overcharging for minimal work you can do yourself. So with that in mind, let's talk about how to start the credit repair process yourself. I've got 3 tips for you today. Your first priority should be to stop the bleeding. You can't help your credit get better without first identifying the source of its pain. So the first thing you want to do is make sure that you're on time and current on all of your bills, and if not, make a plan to get there. When you catch up on late bill payments and get current, lenders will start reporting you as having paid on time during the course of their normal monthly reporting to the major bureaus. That ensures your credit stops slipping in the wrong direction, letting you focus on improvement. The second credit repair tip is to request, review, and dispute. In other words, start by pulling all 3 of your major credit reports from annualcreditreport.com. Then focus on identifying any inaccurate missed payments, duplicate accounts, and fraudulent accounts. If you do find evidence of any of those, you should file a dispute with the credit bureau in question to have the error removed from your report. And the third thing you need is a positive information infusion. The only way to overcome negative information on your credit reports is to devalue it over time with new positive information. Accurate records cannot be removed and may remain for a period of 7 to 10 years, depending on that type of information. The easiest way to consistently add positive info to your credit files is to have an open credit card that's in good standing. Every month that you pay on time and stay well below your credit limit will help your credit little by little. And over time, a consistent track record of a recently responsible financial behavior may be enough to begin outweighing those mistakes and leave them in the past. So that's it, the 3 things you need for DIY credit repair. If you want to check out some credit cards to help you start rebuilding credit, you can just click the button here for what WalletHub recommends. Good luck!